So do you belong to Incas or Mayas?
Well, actually, I'm Italian descendant. So I started the trip in December 2011.
In 2011, you are 3 years on the road.
Well, December 2010, actually. Okay, so I was passing a very rough time in my life. At some point in 2008, at that point I already lost my mother, my father, 2 brothers and 1 son. So, and I had to take care of the families of my brothers. So it was not a very funny situation, you know. My mind was very burned. My soul was. I was not in a good shape. So that I needed to leave Chile. I sold my house. I sold my car. Made some money. Went to the United States. Bought the motorcycle. My plan was to ride Florida for a couple of months and then maybe go to Atlanta, but drive back to Chile eventually in 6 months or the long my visa at that point could give me.